Hi guys, thank you for always stay tuned with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a simple headband like this. This is very cute. You can join every color of yarn like this, and I think it's very perfect for beginner, and also you can use this for the session of Halloween. You can make it for yourself or give as a gift, or you can sell it, whatever you choose. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And yeah, I hope you like it. This is the material that I use two color of yarn, black and orange here, with 5 ply size, and also I use 3.5 of hook. And then you need to have a headband like this. You can cover it with yarn, and also you can use uncovered yarn like this. You can choose it, which one do you like, depend on what do you interest of. You need scissors and also marker and then needle. Without wasting your time, let us start it. So I will use this black and covered yarn like this. I already have some of flower already finished before. In this tutorial, you need to make another flower. You should have 5 flowers for this tutorial, and now in this tutorial I will try to show you how to make this flower. I will work for the black in this tutorial. Make a magic ring like this, and then make 10 single crochet, one here. I will put marker here, this one I will put marker, and then make another single crochet, 2, 3, 4. I will pull this yarn, make it more short like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now pull this yarn and make slip stitch. I will make slip stitch to the first stitch like this. The first stitch is here, this one, and then make slip stitch like this. Okay, now add 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then in this same stitch make 3 incomplete double crochet. Okay, 1, hook again with the same stitch, 2, okay, make once again, 3. So in the first stitch you have 4 loop like this, and then move to the next stitch. In here, this is the next stitch in here, this one. Make 4 incomplete double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I already have 4 of incomplete here. Then pull the yarn like this to the all of the loop like this. Okay, Now make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then make slip stitch to the second stitch in the same stitch here. So this is the next, and you work from here, from the previous stitch. Okay, now make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. So walk to the next stitch here, this one, this next stitch. Okay, this one. Make 3 unfinished double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then move to the next stitch. Make 4 unfinished double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the unfinished double crochet, you should over the 2 loops and then don't make another stitch. So pull all here, this, and then make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Now make slip stitch to the previous stitch here. This is the next and this is the previous. Okay, the loop should like this. Now repeat it again, make 3 chain, and then go to the next, make 3 double unfinished double crochet like this in the same stitch. Okay, and then move to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now pull yarn through all this loop. Okay, now make 3 chain, 2, 3, and then slip stitch to here, slip stitch to here. Okay, repeat it for the next 4 stitch here, remain stitch here. This is the last stitch of my work. I add 4 unfinished double crochet here. Okay, pull from all to this and then add 3 chain. Okay, and then slip stitch to here. You can slip stitch to the first petal and then cut this remain yarn. Okay, pull it. And now just hide this remaining yarn. Bring it to the back like this. Okay. And then cut or remaining yarn, this and this too. This is the look of the flower that I will use in the back side like this. And then I need to make center like this using the orange color like this. Make a magic ring and then make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And then make 8 unfinished double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will pull this to make it more short. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pull this first. Okay, don't to tie because you need to join this and this in the end. Then pull through over this loop and now make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then flip this to here to the first loop here. And now cut this remaining yarn. Tie both of this tail and then hide it using this. Pull it. Then do the same thing to the another tail in here. Okay, pull the yarn, cut this. I want to join this and this using glue. Already finished with join the center of flower, and this is the look of all of this. I want to join it to this headband. I will start from this center. I will put the blacks first and then followed by this one and then followed by this one. Use glue to join headband and the flower. This is the look of my headband, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If it's useful for you, just click thumb in below and subscribe to my channel to get new tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.